trees. They're so adorable.
Those aren't elves, Shine. They're reindeer. They help me pull my sleigh.
Attention! 1 hour to go time!
Ho, ho, ho. Well, girls, I've got to get going soon. I hope you enjoyed the tour.
We did. It's been the most amazing thing that's ever happened to me after getting Genies.
Aww.
Ugh. I wish you lived somewhere warmer, though.
Boom! Zara May! Second wish of the day.
Wait, I didn't mean to make that wish.
Shimmer and shine. Somewhere warmer, divine.
Where did Santa go?
Somewhere warmer, just like you wished for.
Santa's gone!
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Now your turn, Mr. Crab. Good!
Maybe we should press this button with Santa on it.
But we don't know what it's for.
So let's press it and find out. Don't press the button, Shine. I have to. It's a button.
Just because it's a button doesn't mean you have to press it.
Leah's right. But if it was a switch, I'd definitely flick it.
Nobody press or flick anything.
Okay, fine. I'm pressing the button!
We're going too fast.
I can hit the brake button.
I told you no more buttons.
I'm pressing it.
I don't think those were the brakes.
Must have been the reindeer release button.
Oh, I see you pressed the Santa tracking button.
And you two didn't want me to press it.
Oh my, this may take a while.
And by then it'll be Christmas morning. If only we had something else that Santa could fly.
How about a magic carpet? Shimmer and shine, double genie magic divine!
Ho, ho, ho! Perfect! Everyone, hop on! It's time to save Christmas!
Around the world our carpet's flying. Ba la la, ba la la. Like a sleigh up in the sky. Ba la la, ba la la la. Down the chimney, quiet, quiet. Ba la la, ba la la. We'll have some milk and sweet cookies. Trim the tree with shiny things. Bring the presents while they sleep. Ba la la, ba la la, ba la la. We're gonna have a genie Christmas. Ba la la, ba la la. Helping Santa with his wish list. La la la, la la la. We're gonna have a genie Christmas. La 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 la.
Santa, thank you so much for everything. Hanging out with you and my genies is the best Christmas present I could ever wish for.
My pleasure, Leah. But you know, I think I still have one more present in my bag to give you.
My snowflake! Does that mean... It's snowing on Christmas morning! Can you believe it? Because of our mistakes, we got to go to the North Pole and meet Santa!
And make presents with elves.
The mistakes worked out for me too. I made a new crabby friend at the beach and flew on a magic carpet with genies.
We fixed our mistakes and the day turned out great.
We should probably go and help Santa with his sleigh. That thing's not going to dig itself out. See you tomorrow, Leah.
Merry Christmas!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.